at Cloud Analytics. In this video, we will be looking at how do we cross-filter and cross-highlight the visuals in the current visualization. So let's get started. So in the previous video, we have quickly looked at the difference between a cross-filtering and cross-highlighting. So today, I'll be going to explain you how do we enable these features for the respective visuals. So I'll just have to select this particular visual and go to this format and enable this edit interactions. So once I select this edit interactions, you see these small icons next to that. For every visual, you see these small icons next to that, right? So these are nothing but the indications to enable the cross filtering or the cross highlight for that respective visual, and this is for the none. So if you select this none, then based on whatever you select on the other visual, this data would not be impacted, which means that it will not be cross highlighted, neither cross filtered. So it will be as it is. And if you enable this cross filtering, then the data in that particular visual will be filtered out for the unrelated data. So for example, if you select one of the regions from the other visual, then only the filtered data would be populated in this respective visual. But if you select this cross highlight, then the data that has been selected would just be highlighted. Okay, so for this particular visual, I'd like to highlight, and for this particular visual, I'd like to cross highlight or a cross filter. Since we've already selected highlight here, so I'll just make this as a cross filter. So now if I select this data from my pie chart, you see that this data is getting filtered out, so which is cross filtering the data, and the below chart is getting cross highlighted. So this is how you can enable this feature to make your visually appealing data to your end customers. So I hope you understood this concept, and see you again in the next video. Thank you.